Welcome to day 17. For today's sweet treat, I will be making these cute candy cane snowmen. You need large marshmallows, candy cane sticks, Hershey Kisses, Twizzlers, candy melts, black food coloring, and red and orange M&Ms. You can use a wooden skewer or clean screwdriver and poke a hole in the bottom of the marshmallows. Add 3 marshmallows on top of a candy cane. Use your black food coloring and a toothpick to add the eyes. Make a little cut in the marshmallow and add some candy, and then add the buttons and the nose. Wrap a piece of Twizzler around the top to act as a scarf. Use a little candy on top and add the Hershey Kiss for the hat. These sweet treats are sure to go fast. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.